God.
Give me a cigarette. Ow!
I'm here.
It's on again, like you gotta.
Go down here to Napa or O'Reilly's. See if they got any power.
What's the thing with the big, like, satellite on it?
That's emergency vehicles, honey. Look at...
You don't see those out every day.
They're emergency response vehicles, honey. They come out to help in situations like this.
Swab out.
Look, there's the McDonald's that was underwater earlier.
You want to fuck with sense?
Then where did all this water already go?
I don't know. I know Daddy said something about they turned on pumping stations this morning or something.
And all those just like, nope.
Yep.
They've closed on so many roads, though.
Everything's shut down. You wouldn't know there was a flood came through here yesterday, though.
Here, now you're gonna go.
Two sheriffs mixed up his best man with my head. Stole 2 horse ass. Thought you was a lot, that's why I jumped in the bushes.
Good. Now she was hotter than the barrel of fire, but I could use her for the job, so I told her to ride. Come on.
May I ask you what you headed to the West for?
I got a plan, I got a soda. When we arrive, what cop a place we can bump and meet my boy in the morning for details and her girl. You better count your money. You better count your money. You better count your money. You better count your money.
Oh, God.
Good morning.
It reeks.
9 o'clock, we meet my boy in the saloon in the valley. Now I done came a long way and I don't wanna be late.
I'ma make a turn, so you know we out.
Move up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Move up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Move up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Move up, giddy up, giddy up. You better count your money. You better count your money.
I'm keeping crazy, wanted posted in the saloon. So I assume it'll be trouble around here pretty soon. Glass across the room, I see this youngster getting ready to buy it. But if he mess up tonight, I think the crazy just might take his life. So I approach him and I call.
They're in the truck.
Are you flooded?
No.
We got 5 feet in the house.
It's all from the Loosahachie? No. Goddamn Corps engineer built our levee. Well, Base didn't want us, the Corps building their levee, so they built their levee on their property. They didn't put no sheet piling in it. And it collapsed. Goddamn, we just... FEMA is supposed to be helping.
That's almost taller than me.
Everything. Huh?
That's almost...